About this item: vintage home decor. This elegant and multi-purposed optimal organizer or vase is the best for those seeking a trendy, rustic farmhouse look. Add a little country charm to your home decor. If you're looking for a memorable gift for your love, look no further. This will be a great gift she will use. Large and deep ceramic utensil holder caddy. 7.2 h** 6.2 w inches, super large for larger and longer cooking utensils, keeping utensils handy and findable. A convenient solution for overflowing kitchen drawers and countertop clutter. Stable and fall prevention. Unlike common metal or stainless steel utensil holders, this ceramic kitchen utensil holder is heavy and stable, avoiding utensils from falling and spilling all over the kitchen. Counter-protection cork mat. The special cork mat at the bottom of this white ceramic utensil crock prevents your table or countertop from scratching. Easy to keep it shiny. This spatula holder is smooth and anti-scratch. The utensil holder is easy to clean with a wet cloth or wash with soap. The embossed lettering will never come off. In the description